This Temu Drone E99 might look tempting, but I would not treat the main product photo as proof by itself. This keyword has a strong bias signal, so the important part is filtering hype from real proof. For this trust comparison item, I would check 3 things before buying. First, whether the listing shows the real size and material. Second, whether buyer photos match the promise. And third, whether low-star reviews repeat the same complaint. The first red flag is that the main image is not in. If the listing only has polished images and vague claims, I would wait or compare it against an Amazon listing with clearer reviews. My verdict is better than expected, but only after checking real buyer photos first. Based on the listing and review signals, not a hands-on test, I would only buy it if the product page clears those checks. Comment your country and the next Temu product you want checked, and I will run the same buyer research filter.